just as you are, I'd really like to share a drink. Won't you slide down this old bar? Oh, whiskey, I never
The
tried.
Amazon rainforest, known in English as Amazonia or the Amazon jungle, is the motley forest that covers most of the Amazon basin of South America.
This basin encompasses 7 million square kilometers, of which 5,500,000 kilometers are covered by the rainforest.
Try to pretend like you're on the right track when there's nothing left in your
This region includes territory belonging to 9
If I
nations.
was you, then I'd be headed back. 'Cause there's nothing.
The Amazon represents over half of the planet's remaining rainforest and comprises the largest and most biodiverse tracts of tropical rainforest in the world.
Keeping on the beat is short, so it's time, so I won't keep you for too long. Though we're moving much too fast, I know this train will keep its
Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest on Earth and is home to 427 mammals, 1,300 birds, 378 reptiles, and more than 400 amphibians. Example: anaconda, peanut-head bug, glass frog, sloth, piranha, jaguar, and more.
live to try to pretend like you're on the right track when there's nothing left in you're on the
Amazon rainforest not only lives by many kinds of animals, but also lives by various kinds of plants there. Example: Brazil nut tree, poinsettia, Victoria lotus, orchid, vine, epiphytes, bromeliad.